When your headphones are broken and you find that position that's just right to get them to work. Consider yourself lucky if you don't know what this is. Me buying cool stuff I would have liked as a kid, my inner kid being happy. If life is unfair to everyone, does that make it fair? When you finally stop comparing yourself with others, take a break from the internet and go for a run and be grateful for what you have. When you remember to cancel before the free trial ends, this is how I win. When you try to be the bigger person, and here that's what I thought. Knives and RPGs. Knives and looters. When someone shows me family pictures, me trying to select the correct facial expression. A meal I spent hours preparing, I forgot to turn on the rice cooker. Look what they need to mimic a fraction of our power. A horse walks into a bar. The bartender asks why the long face. The horse, not being able to comprehend human language, promptly she's on the floor and leaves. December 8, 1903. Man won't fly for a million years. Wright brothers 9 days later, and we took that personally. Oh damn, the juice expired. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. You're not real haters for real. Nintendo, if they officially released their music tracks on music streaming apps instead of taking down all instances posted by people. Nintendo. Anxiety. Do you like someone? Yeah, you. I like you too. From Love is War. This has turned into a difficult situation. Time traveler. Biggie, you should know that there's a who's seeking to set you up to get Biggie Smalls. Being an overall smart kid with a promising future. You get depression and your life falls apart with the pressure to still be the same kid you used to be, but you no longer can. Mysteries that cannot be solved yet. Interior of a black hole. Anything divided by zero. Why do they always fall down when they laugh? Dark matter. People making a slightly offensive joke. People, when I make that same type of joke, you better watch your mouth. Gaming as a kid. Of course I lost. I'm playing against adults with better PCs. Gaming as an adult. Of course I lost. I'm playing against kids with more free time. Diner, waitress, cops and kids 5 and under eat for free. Me discreetly nudging my 6-year-old. My 6-year-old, I'm a police. If at first you don't succeed, find out why. This is honestly better advice than, if at first you don't succeed, try again. By all means try again, but do that after you figure out why Val failed. Home for free. Work while on the clock. Me about to leave for work.
What are you waiting for? Do it!
When your parents added hot dogs to mac and cheese for the first time. This is some serious gourmet shit. Hey, sorry I'm late. I had to spend 12 minutes tracking down a wheelchair. Since we are low on them, I can get the patient now. Oh, that's alright. We got someone else to do it. We forgot to call you and let you know, or cancel the trip. In elementary school, when we would read out loud to the class from the textbook, I would literally count the kids in front of me and figure out what section I was reading, so I could practice it before it got to my turn, and I think that's where my anxiety started. My dad invited his friend Barry over via text on his day off. Turned out he invited the wrong Barry. Currently the wrong Barry is here whilst everybody else is doing their best to pretend he isn't the wrong Barry, and I'm silently shrieking. When the group chat lit and you gotta get your joke in before the subject change. How I look at the homeless man who asked me for some change before calling on my horde of man-eating gnomes to devour him. Really hate when flies rub their hands together. What the F you planning, you lil? You have a lifespan of like 3 days. Me going non-stop all day. Me not doing a damn thing all day. Being effing exhausted at 8 PM. I worked at McDonald's for 2.5 years, and I put 11 nuggets in almost every 10 piece I made. Get this man a prize. Hiker lost for 24 hours ignored. Calls from rescuers because of unknown number. Please just text me. You call her again for the 10th time and derail your mental health. Just because she didn't answer this time doesn't mean anything. Peter Parker was out here taking photos like this and no one suspected a thing. What if we use 0% of our brain? Astrology influences partner to Seth and threw children from moving car over solar eclipse. Work snack. You eat like you trying to make sure your pH balance stay right. Freddie Mercury, mama, literally everybody. I don't know why all these girls think they need to take their clothes off to get men to like them. It's really sad. Literally just say something. Parents, when you're winning an argument, hum tastes like disrespect. Me, I can't believe these were only $2. They look like such good quality nobody will ever know they weren't expensive. Someone, oh wow, nice pants. Me, beaming with pride, they were $2. Politicians getting their paychecks, it ain't honest but it's much. Men being silent during X is so funny to me, like what's on your mind, king? How to stop stressing about tasks, complete the tasks. Just pulled the door handle off, safe to say it was as surprised as I was. Me reading 89 comments from an internet argument by people I don't know. Me showing up to work late again because I know they don't have enough staff to fire me. They, why didn't you come to the party? Me, I was hanging out with a friend. They, which friend? Me. Hi, my name is Jason. Ah, nice to meet you, Jason. Goblin puns. Say, Jarvis, seen any mind goblins around here? How about a loving, meaningful relationship? The best I can do is parasocial attachments that become real to you. Massive crack in Antarctica ice shelf spanning 11 miles. That's damn scary. Me after trauma dumping on someone the first time we hang out. I revealed too much too soon. I was emotionally trying to think where you left something which you had 5 minutes ago. When you try to tell a joke, but completely F it up. English literature, I will lie for honor. French literature, I will lie for love. American literature, I will lie for freedom. Russian literature, I will lie. How good are you at making a legit news story? A random celebrity lies at the age of I don't know, like 60 or something. You're hired. Microsoft start. You have to respect other people's opinions. Their opinion. 3 square equals 6. Me dreaming about someone who wants nothing to do with me. First day as a cop. Me. Suspect is dancing through downtown. Dispatch. Copy that. Me. I'll try but I'm not much of a dancer. Mario is better. No, Sonic is better. Both franchises are goated. Agreed. Kids don't care. They'll be like, why you so ugly? Then do a cartwheel. How your name's not on our list? Of course not, because I don't belong here. I was the one who suggested the stop to in theaters everywhere. Insert release date here. In the business of Hollywood. Extra hell. When you're watching for your neighbor to go back inside, so you can take the garbage out in peace. Too much chocolate is gross, guys. This is that cake Miss Trunchbull made old boy eat in Matilda. Are you okay? Me. I have learned to live with a very flexible definition of okay. AI is making it so easy to create art, anyone can use it to make art now. Do you know how to use AI to make art? When everything is going wrong in your life, but you're used to it. Me. Wakes up. Me. Please don't be 7 AM, please. Don't be 7 AM. Clock. 3 AM. Me. People turning 18, going to college, disappointing your parents. Me finding a song I like on YouTube, then scrolling through the comments to find the comment asking for the song name. Nabro is done for. Moon aligns with the sun. Humans. How are you gonna have eyebrows like you're incubating caterpillars on your forehead and try to clown someone who could break your ancestors' bones with one right hook? For anyone wondering, the lead is Adam Driver. Me feeling very awake at bedtime after being sleepy all effing day.
Spare change, ma'am.